Good afternoon, everybody. Here I am in Olivo, 21 Eccleston Street. This is my first restaurant. Was started in 1990, and today I'm here to show you this new. This is actually a very traditional Sardinian dish, but it's been recreated in modern key by our chef, executive chef Andrea, because we like to twist a little bit with a bit of modernity into the dish, but still keep the same principles. So this is called Pani Frattau in Sardinian, which is it's a sort of pork man's dish, which is made, by the way, in most areas in the center of Sardinia where the blue zone is. In fact, this is made with a little basket of Sardinian crispy bread, which you shape into a basket. That's a certain skill to do that, with layers of very light tomato sauce and some pecorino cheese and poached egg. It's very simple, but it is packed with flavor and it's so nice. The texture is good. And as I said, a pecorino, by the way, is one of those cheeses that doesn't have any high cholesterol, and this is why this is eaten by the people in the blue zone in the central Sardinia. So Pani Frattau, simple. You can see it breaks up like that, and then you break the poached egg. We use these very beautiful eggs. They're so red, and it's nothing. It's quite simple. And of course, somebody would say, "Oh, but this is not really Pani Frattau because the layers are flat, they're soaked in sheep broth and so on, so on." But this is our versions of it. We like to twist a little bit, not to be like everybody else. So we like to have a little bit of individuality, and normally it's washed out with a lovely glass of Cannonau, which is also part of our blue zone in Sardinia. And this is the simplest thing you can actually eat. So I would tell you, come and try, and you'll see why. The bite of the pecorino is very important, because there's very few flavors, but it's quite sort of gutsy. Enjoy. Come back. Come to us.